Welcome to the last episode of Creating the Garbage Shed. You can go and watch the earlier parts of the build if you are interested, or just enjoy the end result. I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, are you ready for this? Ta-da! So, I finished both of the doors sets, and I installed the handles, the latches, the hasps, and I put a little, screw in this one, a bolt in the other one, put some Fisher line on it so it stays, and there you go. Works great, so proud of it. Yeah, and there you go. So one thing I did was created the board that the recycling bins sit on so that you can use both of them while they're inside of the spot. So I cut this back so that you can have them sitting here, and you can throw cups or small things in there for most of the time, and not need to open it. This one as well, lots of room, you can throw stuff in there. So yeah, it's pretty nice for both parties. And over here, let's just close it up. Over here, got a bolt, and yeah. There you go. Almost done, just need to get the sides and the back on. Looking forward to it. So great to see this come together. And then we'll have to try to move the thing into place and level it off. And I think that will be it. And there you go, guys. It is all finished. I'll take a look around. Maybe I'll make some more add-ons if I want to, since I got some time before it rains. But we are all done. So this is what it'll look like. A little lock thing. Open her up. Got your two bins. Got all the room like I was talking about. Plenty of let's get in there. Plenty of room there. Up here, and all closed in. You can see kind of into the other room. Let's turn up the brightness there. And so that's kind of what it's like. And then we go to the second larger room. Fully enclosed, looks great. Didn't realize it. I made all the flooring out of these little tiny things out of that like lattice style fencing stuff, and I ended up having a ton of boards left. Don't know how that happened. Was expecting to use it all, but I guess I have some leftovers. Slightly too bad because it took some time to cut and screw in all those little tiny pieces, but it's definitely going to be breathable. Wow, good sunlight. Wow, and this is on the front camera. Incredible. Anyways, yeah, I think it's looking great, and don't know what else to say other than if you happen to want one of these, please contact me. I really enjoy working with wood, creating designs of structures, and would be very interested in building you one of these. Just contact me and I can I'll give you some prices and work with you for building a custom shed if you'd like it. And it doesn't have to be from reclaimed wood for the most part, like this one is. We can definitely create it with new wood, or whatever type of wood you would like, or plastic or metal, whatever you'd like. I can definitely work with you on that. And yeah, have a great day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.